Supertato Veggies Assembled by Hendra and Linnet. It was night time in the supermarket, and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble.
Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine.
And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad. Really bad. And the baddest of them all is the evil pea.
Wakey, wakey!
He called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it! Panicked Pepper. Save me! Stuttered Pear. Save me! Begged Melon.
Save me!
Cried Carrot.
I'm melting,
pleaded Lolly.
and time's running out. Ooh.
Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what! Oh! Cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato?
I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the...
Click! Super Veggies to the rescue! They used ninja know-how. Hey-ya! They used massive muscles. Hurr! They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato?
Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. And now for the freezers.
Click!
And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper.
Eh?
Who ordered the vegetables?
Screeched the evil pea.
You think you've beaten me?
But I'm going to... You're going to what?
Asked Supertato.
3 cheers for Supertato!
Shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed.
I couldn't have done it without the super veggies.
Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit. Yes.
And everybody laughed and cheered. Huzzah! Ha 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 ha! So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be.
Isn't it wonderful?
Said one lolly to the other.
We're all back to normal again.